It doesn't even make sense.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to call this the great big cleanup before Christmas explosion. And we need to really give this room a good cleaning because this kitchen is a hot mess and we just finished breakfast and it is a hot mess. There's no other word for it. So we're just going to get going, and the first thing you're going to see is something really funny. It's pretty typical when you hear one of the songs that you haven't heard in a really long time come on the radio, and I hope you enjoy that little clip I decided to leave in.
And maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying.
Yes!
Yeah, I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away.
Who do you think you are? Put in your 2 cents and spend. Don't you got nothing to do? Then worry about my friend's chicken.
And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. 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 And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than
If you guys get a glimpse of the pantry, you can see I had mentioned before I have to do a pantry cleanup, so that is still coming. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but it definitely can use a good clean. And I don't know if you saw the little guy snuck in there to say hello, but he did. He tried to sneak in. So Dominik says hello.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Was really I don't see the benefits now when you're broken my trust.
So I just picked up this wax melt from Walmart. It's a Better Homes and Gardens Red Berry and Oak, and it smells so good. So I had that one going, and I think I'm gonna go and get some more because I love that scent so much. Now we're gonna clean up all of the junk that just accumulates on top of this desk area. It's not a desk, but you know, the counter area. And if you guys see my cleaning videos, you know that this stuff just happens to wind up there. So I'm still working on it, but it still winds up there. You're gonna see me hold up a black bell. It's my dad just made me it. It's a AC/DC Hell's bell. He 3D printed it, so I just thought that was funny and I wanted to show you really quick.
Get my heart beating again. I should probably let you go. I know I can't be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now, and you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22 and trying something new, just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right.
I don't know if you guys can hear the song playing in the background. I know I'm pretty fly and all, but I won't give this guy the finger because he helps me with all these little things around the house that I don't like to do, like taking down that lamp and or the cover for it. So it's pretty gross, but it needed to be cleaned, so I had to get all that little gunk and bugs and yucky stuff out of there to get that back up there.
I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. I Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
I feel like I have to say it in every video, but the backsplash behind the sink has been pulled off. When we redid the window and put the new window in, we had to take it off. So we are going to fix it, but that's why it looks the way that it does. And I thought this was funny. I was trying to use the Barkeeper's Friend cleanser to clean out the sink, and when I went to use it, it was completely solid. So you're seeing me bang it against the sink and trying to add water, but it finally worked and the sink got clean, and end of story.
Let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
One of the things coming up, I could not stop laughing when I was watching back the footage, so let me know if you do this too. I'm so guilty of this. So I tend to overfill the trash bag, and it drives Frank crazy because then I ask him to empty it for me or to take the trash bag out. So you're gonna see him try to pick it up and take it out. It's too heavy, so he has to come back and then he has to take it out, and he's trying to wiggle it out, and it's just a typical thing in my house. But I don't know if I'm the only one that does that, but I know it drives him crazy. I just think it's funny, so I had to put that or leave that in there.
To better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright, so we are coming up to the end here. Everything is now clean and ready to go, ready for Christmas to come in. And what do you guys want to see next? Do you want to see the bedrooms, or do you want to see the bathrooms? We got to clean it all. It's all got to get done. So I will be back soon with another cleaning video, and I hope you guys enjoy this and maybe got a couple chuckles or just a smile out of it, and I hope it helped some way or shape or form. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Everyone stay safe, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.